lovely people. How are you? I'm doing great. Make sure you leave down in the comment section below how your day is going. So if you read from my title, we have the April 2019 Beauteque box. This is a kbeauty subscription. This is a skincare subscription. So if you're looking for a makeup subscription, this is not for you. But if you like kbeauty products and you like skincare, this is definitely the box for you. And I love skincare, especially when it gets closer to summer. I live in New Jersey, so right now, like today, it is raining and it's not that nice out. It doesn't start getting hot till probably right around June. And I like to take care of my skin, especially in the summer. I don't wear a lot of makeup. I don't wear all this heavy foundation and stuff like that. So I really, in like April, May, I take care of my skin all year around, but especially in March, April, May, I really get into the skincare. So I am very excited to get this box and see what is in the April month. So this subscription has two. You can get the Mask Maven, which is I believe $15 or $15.99, and you get all masks. And this is the Beauty Box, which is $24 a month. And of course I get the Beauty Box. Did I already cut the tape open? Did I? Yes, I did. All right, so let's see what is inside. So that's what it looks like. It says Sweet as Honey, a beauty box. So this is the March, not the April. I keep forgetting because you get billed at the end of the month, and so you don't get the next month until the beginning of last month. So in other words, it's April, so we get March in the beginning of April, if that makes sense. So I wonder if everything is honey this month. I hope so, because I know, yes it is. Oh, that's exciting. Let me tell you a little bit about honey if you don't know. So I'm diabetic, and I don't heal like I don't want to say a normal person, but I don't heal very fast. So let's say a cat scratches me. It might take 2 to 3 weeks before it turns into a scab. And so what that means is a lot of diabetics, it's easy to cause an infection. If you ever hear people like diabetics, because a lot of times they get numb, they get tingling in their feet and their hands, and a lot of times the nerves go numb. And a lot of times with diabetics, their feet are the first ones. So if they're stepping, let's say they step on a nail or a tack, you know, if you're not diabetic, you might be able to feel like, ouch, what did I step on? When you're diabetic, a lot of times you don't feel it and you don't know you stepped on something unless you actually look. And because of that, you can get the dirt, and because you don't heal, you get a lot of diabetics get infections very easy. So honey, organic honey is so good for that. I had just had to get a biopsy on my back because I did have melanoma stage 2 before, and basal skin cancer and different things. And so I go to a dermatologist every 3 to 6 months for them to do a screening, and they found something suspicious on my back again, which they did a biopsy and it came back that it was not cancerous, but it took so long to heal and it actually turned into an infection. So I use the honey and everything else to help with the infection. Anyway, I love honey. Honey is really, really good for the skin. So I am so excited to get a box that has stuff with honey in it. All right, enough of me talking. So after you take that out, it always comes with like a little sticker right there. All right. So the first thing that I see, I'm pulling out this Ball Beauty Eye Massager right there. Now these are more for like if you have puff, if your eyes are like puffiness, you know, but I don't suffer from that too much. So I'm not going to open this up. I'm going to give this to somebody that will use this. It's the cold effect. It's supposed to be like to help depuff your eyes. So I hear that this works really, really good. So, and it says remove eye bags, remove fine lines. I don't know if it will remove fine lines. Let's just be real. But I did hear that it helps with the bags. So that's exciting to get this in a box. Let's see what it says. All right, so it says, does it say price? $7. And it says how to use. Gently roll under your eyes, starting with the inner corner to the outer corner. So you would start just right here. So that's amazing. All right, the next thing, and does it say, I believe you have to order this by April 15th to get the March box. So you still have time to get this specific box. All right, the next thing is from Farmstay. This is Honey and Gold Wrinkle Lifting Essence. And Essence, I love to use Essence. Essence is very popular in K-Beauty. So let's open her up. Ooh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Okay, let's read up on it. All right, so this would be $21.99. This is how to use cleanse your face and apply toner. Then apply a pea-sized amount to your skin and massage it in until fully absorbed. Okay, so let's see. Let's open her up. Let me see. So it has like a little safety seal. I'm going to just take that off. Ooh, because I'm going to use this tonight. So I just want to take a little bit on my finger and see what it feels like. And this is glass. Oh, look what I'm doing. I'm using a glitter thing to close it. All right. So let's see. So there's what it looks like if you can see. It feels like an oil. And guys, let me just tell you this too. When you get stuff like this Essence, when you put it on your face, don't forget to put it on your neck and your hands, because your hands, for me, my hands look older. It's the oldest part of my body. And I just started maybe about, I want to say 2 months ago, that I thought, you know what? Everything I use on my face, why am I not putting on my hand? So every step that I use on my face, I even use toner on my face, I use on my hands, and my hands still don't look, I'm in my 40s, but they look so much better than what they did. I can definitely see a difference in my hands. So never forget that, because we always tend to forget to do our neck and our hands. But this is glass. Like, that's nice. I am so excited to definitely try that. All right. The next thing guys, it's lip balm. Yes, from Seymour, Honey Lip Treatment. And I love lip balm. And this, oh my God, I just love anything with honey in it. I'm like so excited. All right, so this would be $7. Says how to use. A little goes a long way. Apply an appropriate amount on your lips. Of course, we all know. Let's open her up and see what it looks like. Okay, so there we go. And everything always comes full size. So, you know, it's a regular lip balm. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. Okay, what else? Got a couple more things. So what is this? Honey hand cream. And you guys can see how that's pinched? Like it's not filled up to the top at all. All right, what does it say? So this would be $4.99. Apply an appropriate amount to dry skin and rub until fully absorbed. All right, so let's see. You know, I'm not even smelling them. All right, so this has a safety seal, so that's good. All right, let's put a little on. And I don't smell honey or anything like that. Even on that Essence, I didn't smell it. So I'm just putting a little bit on for now. Oh, that's good. It has like I don't know if that's what smell that is that I'm smelling. But I do like that. I wish we got a little bit more, because I always, again, when you're diabetic, you get a lot of dry skin. So my hands are always dry. But, I mean, that's good to try. I don't know if that's full size or not. Is that full size? Does it say? It just says, honey is great for hydrating skin and will leave your hands moisturized all day. Deeply moisture your skin, and honey scented lotion. I don't know if I smell like honey, but anyway, I'm excited to use that. And this is by Sky Lake. I don't know if I told you. Did I even show you? All right. 2 more products. Okay, so this right here, this is an egg mayonnaise honey hair treatment. And I know egg is definitely good for your hair. This would be $13. It says how to use, wash your hair, apply a small sized amount and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. So I'll put this in my shower and let's see what it smells like. It has a safety seal, so I'm not going to open that up right now so I don't even smell anything. All right, and last but not least, we always get a mask in here because you guys know kbeauty is good, always has mask in it. And this is a repair mask. So it's step 1 and step 2 right there. And let's read up on this. So this is $6.99. How to use, cleanse your face and apply toner. Gently rub the cotton pad from step 1 on your face for about 30 seconds in circular motions. And then step 3, apply step 2 of the sheet mask and remove after 10 to 20 minutes. So that's good. This has some aloe in it, which is good for moisturizing. So that's everything. So let's recap what we got that was for $24. So we have the egg and honey mask for your hair. We get a sheet mask. We get a little tiny hand lotion. What else did we get? Oh, we got this nice size essence, and then we got the lip balm. So I'm happy. I think everything was worth it this month. I only got this box for a couple months so far, and I really, really like this box. I don't plan on canceling anytime soon. So if you're still watching, if you're wondering what is on my face, I want to tell you, and also I want to tell you about a couple things that I did get sent to me that I really, really love. So let's stay on with the skincare. So I got sent by Sol de Janeiro, I got sent the Samba Foot Fetish Care and the hand cream. And I also got sent the Brazilian and Play shower gel. Now, I love, love, love the scent of that Bum Bum cream. Oh my God, this shower gel smells just like the Bum Bum cream. I mean, it smells so good and I love this. Like this is a repurchase for me, definitely. If you like that smell of the Bum Bum cream, you're gonna love this. Now, the hand one. So I'll put a little bit more on because I just like the smell too. So it's like thick and it does smell like the Bum Bum cream, but not a spitting image of it, if that makes sense. Like I definitely like the smell, but it's not as, doesn't smell as good as this, you know? And then you have the foot cream. Let me show you this. So you have, which I haven't used this because I have my own little foot thing, but it comes with this, you know, to like get all the dry skin off of your foot. So I think that's cute. So I have my own little thing. And then this right here is the cream after you're done. And this smells good too. And I like this as well. But from these products right here, I would definitely say get this shower gel. This is so worth it. So thank you so much, Sol de Janeiro, for sending me this stuff. I really appreciate it. Like I said, I love this product. I love all of them. I love both of them, but I'm just saying out of all of them, I like this the best. Okay, and if you're wondering what's on my eyes, I did a haul video, and I also have a giveaway in that haul. I'll leave it down below, but one of the palettes was this from Chantilly. This is the Suns Out, Buns Out palette, and let me show you what is on my eyes. So it comes with a mirror, then it comes with a card with all the colors, and then like you can tell some of them is powdery. These are the colors. I mean, these are my colors right here. Now, these are they give you a lot of kick up. They're very powdery. But having said that, I love this palette. I believe this palette's like $25, but it's on sale for $20. I'll leave it down below. I love this palette so much. Now, I didn't use all the colors, but I used majority of the colors. I was just playing around. I really recommend this palette. I truly do. And I don't do that a lot on my channel. I say, oh, I really love this. But if you like these colors and summer's coming up and you don't have the money to buy like an expensive, you know, like a Urban Decay or Tarte, whatever you have, or Huda, I definitely recommend this, and I love supporting indie brands. This is really, really nice. So I definitely recommend that. And then I have on my eyes just lip liner. Who is this even by? I don't remember. Something Pure Glam Cosmetics. And I have it like, you know, all over my lip. And then on top, I have this Ofra lipstick in Nude Potion on top. And then on top of that, I have the Fenty lip gloss on top of that. So that's what I'm wearing on my lips. But guys, that's everything. I like to tell you guys what I'm wearing sometimes and about different products that I've tested out so that you guys know, you know, my personal opinions on it. But that's everything, guys. Please like this video. It really helps me out. Don't forget that we have that giveaway going on. And in a few weeks, we will have a 30,000 subscriber giveaway. How exciting is that? But don't forget, as always, I leave videos right here if you want to check more of me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.